Hello, I want to show how to work this LavAzza Italian coffee maker. So this coffee maker is quite nice. This is the mini version. And so basically how you work this thing is you open it up and you put the cup into here. Here the cup's right here. Put a cup and you just place it in and it will settle to the bottom. And the cup will fall down through and end up in a pan down here. So when you're ready to clean this thing out, you take this pan out like that, and the cup will fall in the pan like that. That's all there is to it. All right, you put water in the back. There's a removable tank here with a cover. And you simply remove the cover and put it in the water. So I've been putting in this distilled water basically. Anyway, a little more in there. All right, and then I'm gonna cold start this thing so it's not plugged in. We'll plug it in. USA power cord. And now, when you're ready to go, you get your coffee selection. In this case, I'm going to try some cafe crema. Okay, and we'll put it in. It'll sink down about an inch. And there it is. Then you close it. And actually, you could take a look and, yeah, make sure it's down there. It just falls right down. Close it. All right, now you're ready. So, what I found I can do with this thing is make a little espresso with it, but I can make a 2-shot, well, not 2 shots, but 1 shot with twice the volume. So put the cup down here and press espresso. And it'll warm up. And once it warms up, it'll start making the espresso. So I don't know this machine intimately. I just basically ran it through and made an espresso with it, and it worked well. I'm gonna hit this again. There it goes. So when it quits blinking, I think it means it's heated up. It's ready to produce. And there goes the espresso. So now I don't like it real strong, so I'm going to hit the button again, and it'll use the same cup, the same coffee container inside, the same module, and it'll just spit some more out. It still has validity because you can see it's still dark coming out, so why waste it? And when it's finished, it's finished. All right, it's done. And I think now it's saying it's out of water, which it probably is. Let's take a look. I think that means it's out of water. Probably is out of water. Looks pretty dry to me. Yeah, it ran out of water. Anyway, that's fine because I don't want any more. And now I think if we take this out, the cup hasn't gone in there yet. Let's see. What if I go like this? There, I think that released the cup into the bottom. Is it in there? Yeah, there it is. A lot of water and stuff in there, huh? All right, let's turn on some lights here. And I'm just gonna dump the water into here. And there's the cup. Jeez, no light in this place at all. Anyway, here's the cup that I used. It punches a hole in it. Punches a bunch of holes in it. Very nice. And the bottom bunch of holes there. So look how cool it is. It'll punch a whole pile of holes on top and the bottom, unlike the Keurig that makes one hole on top and bottom, and that's pretty slick. So that's the A to Z of this coffee machine. What if I add water now? Would that cause it to quit blinking? Let's see. Actually, I'm out of water. Okay, that's the end of my demo then. Probably shows you all you need to know about it. Close it up, unplug it. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.